Howdy. Oh, it sure is. Yeah. So calm and awesome up here. I love it.
It is. Have a good one.
You too. Howdy. I'll tell you, it takes a lot less time when you come on the paddle boat through here. On the paddle boat now, especially the one with the motor, you zip up through here. Alright, so I'm back here at this spot that I found when I was on the paddle boat with Jake. Well, I'm back here with Jake. I found this on the paddle boat when I was by myself, but I wanted to show him this. But hey Jake, check this out. Let's put the light up in here. What's this? Oh, someone's glove. Yeah, so what do you think about in there? It does go far. And these lights don't do anything. Is there water down in there? I can't tell. Grab a rock and throw it in there. Yeah, throw. Oh, look down there.
I know.
You see something white?
Yeah. Oh, I actually.
A couple things further down.
I think I
too.
see the wall.
Oh,
I'll try to throw it farther. A lot farther. Nothing more. It's too small.
shine the light in there. The light, the flashlight light in there.
Oh, is that a water bottle? It looks like a Polar Pop cup, doesn't it?
Isn't this weird? It looks like it opens up somewhere. I need to bring back a better flashlight.
Like a really high powered one.
Alright, now.
Come on.
But look up in here.
This doesn't seem like a drain, like a water drain, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Because
but
look at how it curves upwards.
yeah, it's odd. Well, I think this Jake is all built up.
From,
Erosion coming down, you know?
like, even like the inside doesn't seem very like,
But it's man-made,
oh yeah.
obviously.
But it doesn't seem like it looks very like drained.
Alright, now come this way and I'll show you.
Is there an exit point?
That's what I can't find on the other side. When I was here before, I didn't see it, but be careful because there's metal bands and everything here.
That just seems like it's unrelated.
Remember the coal flag I found? This was that was I mean the train flag I found. That's what this was.
Ouch.
Come on, we'll power through it, dude. Yeah, let's stop on that, goddammit. Look. Alright, so that was right there, right?
Yeah, roughly.
So it would go under here. You would think right here somewhere is where that... And look right here, though. It almost could be, but there's nothing here, but it would be covered over like the other one was. Alright, so I'm gonna explore around a little bit. I've seen something over here, so I just wanted to see what it was. There's trash. Big butter dish. Yeah, looks like someone dumped a bunch of their waste here. What's up here? Yeah, railroad tracks. Alright, so if I keep walking around here, That little tunnel that I saw, cave, whatever the heck it was, whatever you want to call it, would come over to this side somewhere if it did. Oh, that'd be cool if it was hidden in there, but I don't see nothing in there. Nothing on this backside. Alright, I don't see anything on this side where it comes through. Now up here there's one, because that's the big granite one I showed you from the water. Alright. Head back up around this way. Fence down there. I didn't even notice I was standing on. There's all kinds of crap. You ever walk around, if you ever walk down these railroad tracks anywhere, there's crap everywhere. Where kids, we used to go everywhere. You could cut off a lot of time cutting through the tracks. So this is the other side of that granite. Oh, pretty steep. I got sandals on and there's berry bushes all around. I might be able to walk around that side. Yeah, shit. I don't want to burn up all my video, all my batteries. I thought I had 3 batteries. I had 2 that were charged, 1 that was shit. So, what the fuck is that? That's pretty trippy. Must be some slag or something that came out of the engine. There's some more down there. A bunch of different shit down here. See it all? That's fucking pretty cool. Weird texture to it. I could get out of this straight. Stagnant old shit here. And the reason I think it's probably a storm, or not a storm drain, but like a culvert, like this one, because there's one right here, which I think this one was probably made better with
More or something.
Yeah, with bigger pieces of granite. There's like huge pieces of granite. They were made from old stones. That was probably the old one, and this was probably a new one they had to put in. Yeah, don't touch that. It's nasty. But you can see here, all the runoff and everything from this hills and all that must all run into here.
This looks like the spot where it would be.
Right, but look what they did. There's one under here, Jake. right directly underneath you, there is one. You don't want to go down there,
Yeah.
but I'll show you over here.
This is what I saw earlier.
Yeah, from the shore you see this, which is why I think that was the old version of this, maybe. Because I mean, it don't make any other sense for there to be something under there.
Okay.
Right. So it had to have been like this right here.
You know what we should bring next time we come here? You know those high-powered like glow sticks?
Yeah.
That actually glow? Throw one of those down there.
Oh, you don't want to throw it down there? Well, let's put a string on it so you can pull it back if you're going to want to leave trash in there.
Yeah. Well, it seems like there's
Or I
trash
could
in
just give you the flashlight and you could climb down there with the camera. No.
there. Well,
But see what I mean? See how this would have been made after with the bigger...
more. It's more like
Like they
structure.
probably came through and they were probably laying new tracks and putting new...
Those tracks didn't seem very old.
Oh, they're probably...
Or
No,
like old, but not like 18.
they haven't been here for 150 years, right? So that was probably the old thing. They probably put new stuff in. This was probably... And as times changed, maybe the water started being more only down here and not filling up to there.
Erosion.
So they moved this. Who knows? Who knows why? But I think this is the new version of that over there.
I would climb in that. I don't know what's in there.
Huh?
I would climb in that. I don't know what's in there.
Imagine being in that when a train went over.
It'd be terrifying.
I know.
Do you know how loud that would be?
It'd be crazy.
It'd be terrifying. I'd freak out.
Mm.
That's really. It doesn't seem like it's much space between.
What would it cost you to do that? Like, what would it cost for you to do that?
Go under?
To go in there with a train?
As much as I could possibly get for it.
Yeah, but like, what would you, like...
20, 30 bucks.
That's it?
Not a little more, actually.
I was expecting like $1 million. Yeah,
No.
20, 30 bucks.
Well, I know. Well, if that thing's still up, I know it's not gonna break. It'd just be if I had earmuffs.
You don't think, why, you think it'd be too loud for you, sensitive little ears?
Wait, that. Oh, don't act like it's not gonna be that loud.
Oh, it wouldn't be, but it'd be freaking, it would just be terrifying because you'd be wondering, is that thing gonna collapse on you? Is this the time it collapsed?
Yeah. I'd do it for less than $1 million, though.
Yeah.
I'd do it for as much as someone would possibly give me.
Oh yeah, if someone was gonna give you some money and said, hey, I'll give you
It's kind of dangerous.
20, 30 bucks, you'd do
I
it.
mean, I'm kind of risking my life.
20, 30 bucks.
Well, no, because I don't feel like that many people would like, here's $1 million to go under there. Like, people would pay a lot.
People do less scary shit on TV for that.
You know, like, eat some cow balls for $1 million. $1 million is $1 million. I'd eat some cooked cow balls for $1 million.
How
Like,
about
really?
uncooked? Cow balls, they're balls.
No, but like,
The
when you
balls
cook,
are the size of your head.
when you cook them,
They're the size of your head. You'd have to eat it in like 3 sittings.
when you cook them, it's not just like a testicle. It's like, it's prepared. People eat like bull penis and stuff like that all the time. In like other countries, they do. They cook it, they prepare it. It's just meat, but from.
Why don't they eat the rest of the bull? Why would they eat the penis?
They're not wasteful.
Yeah, they get some fucking issues.
Oh yeah, well I mean I wouldn't be like, that's the part that I want to eat, you know? But like, if someone's like, here, have this, or just like, I don't know, like some weird mushroom that I don't know where it's from, I'd pick the cooked
You'd rather
cow balls.
eat a bull's penis than friggin' eat a mushroom.
Actually, yeah, I don't. No, but like, if someone gave me like, here's like $1 million, to eat some cow balls, like, are you trying to say you wouldn't eat a cow ball for $1 million?
For $1 million, of course I would.
Yeah,
But,
that's what I'm saying.
I mean, $1 million, $1 million.
It's not, I'd do it for less than $1 million, really. There's no way.
Sounds to me like you do it for fun.
Chill, bud. But there's no way it can be really that bad, right?
I
how,
can't imagine it'd be that good.
No, but like really.
What would make you think it'd be that good?
If people
Oh,
eat it.
here's a penis. I'm gonna cook it.
No,
You're
I'm
gonna
not
eat
talking about
it.
the penis.
Or
I'm
your
talking about-
balls.
I'm talking about the balls.
Well, you said penis too.
Well, I'm using that as an example that people also eat. But if people like actively want to eat it, it can't be that bad, really. Well, Okay, Father, if someone like...
I'm just sitting there trying to figure out how I can get my hands on some cow balls and see if you'd eat them for $30.
No, but do you really think you could tell the difference that much? If someone gave you like a piece of cooked cow balls or some steak, do you really think it would, like, if you didn't know what it was, it'd be that bad?
I'd like to think that I would know.
No, I mean, obviously you tell the difference between like steak and some cow balls.
Well, you just said I wouldn't.
No, but like, I said like, would it be that big of like a taste difference? Really?
Yeah, probably.
Well, like texture-wise, but there's no way it can be like that
Oh, sounds like they caught another one.
There's no way it can be like that just disgusting though. Can it?
What?
Like, it seems like if I didn't know what it was, I could probably I feel like it's more like a mental thing than anything, wouldn't it?
I know what? This is my last battery. It was at 30%. I'm gonna waste all my battery on talking about eating cow balls when I could be. You watch, I'll go catch fish now, and I won't have no evidence.
Listen, this is essential. There's a can down there.
All right, I'm shutting this down.
Is that a monster can?
All right, so I was just sitting back at the boat, but ready to shove off, and looked back up here, and I realized, geez, this one looks like something could live in it. It's been coming in and out of it here. Alright, so me and Jake are going to come up with a plan to come back with some better lights. Maybe an RC car, who the heck knows? We'll figure something out. Maybe just a long pole. Yeah, it's definitely man-made.